How do I temporarily disable my Instagram account? If you temporarily disable your account, your profile, photos, comments and likes will be hidden until you reactivate it by logging back in. You can only disable your Instagram account from a computer or mobile browser. To temporarily disable your account, search Instagram.com from computer. Log into Instagram.com from a computer. You can't temporarily disable your account from within the Instagram app, but you can from mobile browser. Click your profile picture in the top right and click Profile, then click Edit Profile. Scroll down, then click Temporarily Disable My Account in the bottom right. Select an option from the drop-down menu next to Why are you disabling your account? And re-enter your password. The option to disable your account will only appear after you've selected a reason from the menu and entered your password. Click Temporarily Disable Account. Now search Instagram.com from mobile. You'll need to be able to log into your account to temporarily disable it. If you can't remember your password or username, see some tips for logging in. If you don't want to disable your account but want to change who can see it, you can set your posts to private or block people. Note: follow these instructions if you'd like to delete your Instagram account.